Hi, this is Chandra Wood, licensed esthetician and certified makeup artist with Ageless Derma. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy makeup in under 10 minutes for an everyday look. So I'm going to be starting with a tinted moisturizer. It's the BB Cream by Ageless Derma. So when you want to do something quick and on the go, the best thing to do is try to combine your steps. So this, I'm getting moisture. I'm also getting a little bit of a tinted coverage. So I'm using a foundation stipple brush. This is just going to help to blend in the moisturizer a little bit easier. And I'm just starting on my cheek in circular motions. Now this isn't going to give me a full coverage look. This is just going to even out my skin tone. Alright, next thing is we're going to apply a little bit of our blush. So I'm going to be using the Ageless Derma blush. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you the color. I am choosing a tone that kind of has a little bit more pink plum in it for my skin tone because I do have a darker skin tone. And this is the color Fusion, a matte berry. So just adding a little color to the skin. And I'm going to apply an upward motion in the hollows of my cheek in circular motions. So you can see I have a little bit of color that's coming on the cheek, but I don't have a lot. It's just bringing to life. Okay, so next thing with the same blush that you've used, so we can make this fast and simple, is get a fluff eyeshadow brush or a flat one. And I'm just going to lightly tap it side to side in the mineral blush, or whatever blush you're using. Tap it off. And I'm just going to slightly do circular motions towards the inside of my eye. Next thing, which is necessity, I believe, is going to be some mascara. Just going to open the eyes up and give you a little quick pop. So I go under the lash line and swivel up. And then I use a curling motion and I curl the lashes underneath, starting at the base and then pulling them up. And then last thing is a lip gloss. So just depending your features, your hair color, I'm going to choose a lip gloss that's a little bit more like in the berry because I did a berry blush. So to kind of tie everything together, my hair is really dark. If you have a lighter hair color, like a blonde color, like a peach or a soft pink would be really beautiful, just to add some color into the skin since we don't have too much going on. And this has a little bit of a shimmer and iridescence. And there we have it, a nice quick makeup look in under 10 minutes. For product use and information that we used on this video, go ahead and click the link below. If you would like to see more videos like this and tutorials, please go to agelessderma.com.